Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Nafis Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version Skill Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, Grammar B CW. So let's see our today's topic. Class Junior 1, Subject English, Term Half Yearly Exam, Lecture 23. SW will be 12. Topic Grammar B CW. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. So Grammar B. So our Grammar B is, question is how many vowels are there? So how many vowels are there? What are they? This is our questions. How many vowels are there? What are they? So our answer is, the first letter of a sentence starts with a capital letter. T will be capital. So there, T-H-E-R-E, there are 5, F-I-V-E. There are 5 vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S. There are 5 vowels. So T again, I have given full stop and first letter of a sentence. D, they are, T-H-E-Y, they. So there are 5 vowels. They are, A-R-E, they are, A, E, I, O, U. So how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full stop. So this is our class today, my dear students. Grammar B, 9 Grammar B. Questions, how many vowels are there? What are they? Answer. There are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. So how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. What are they? They are A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? What are they? This is our question. Answer. T will be capital as is the first letter. There are 5 vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S. Vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. So my dear students, this is our today's lecture. So your SW will be SW12, Grammar B. SW12, Grammar B. How many vowels are there? What are they? You will write only answer. Okay, my dear students, you will write only answers. So my dear students, do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Abide well, parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.